Hey guys, so I'm currently on my way downtown at PatrickStarrr with 3R. It's gonna be shop-hop. Ooh, railroad tracks. It's gonna be shop-hop and we're gonna meet Patrick. My lace is laid. Like, oh, is there white? Why is there white there? I was never white. Don't be annoying. I'll only try when I'm gonna go see PatrickStarrr. See you guys downtown. Do you guys like my hair? I made a 3-in-1 get ready with me, so watch out for that. Which one do you like better?
This one.
Oh yeah, I'm getting this one.
Black people always generate to this one.
Hello everyone. I'm Takoshi Gandhi and I'm the head of MAC here in Canada.
Guess who's back in the house?
Let me stand by my brand new MAC Cosmetics collaboration called Floral Realness. Pictures, more pictures, yes. I didn't take any pictures, so I want to like steal yours. Queen! Wow, thank you so much for having me, Toronto. I love it here, and it's so full circle to be back here. I was here last year for Generation Beauty, but it's really cool to be back. I want to stand here on the stage and tell you that I am living proof that anything is possible. If you work hard, surround yourself with amazing people, you can achieve your dreams. It's not just you know, a dream. It can come true. I'm just totally speechless and in awe of everyone here today. It's such a pinch me moment. I'm just here soaking it in like a sponge. We're gonna do a little bit of a makeup demo. Really quick about the collection, since you guys didn't watch my video, if y'all are not subscribed. I came out with two kits, and it's really amazing that MAC worked with me on creating these 2 kits, Me So Chic and Me So Fleek. And my inspiration behind this was to curate kits for the consumer, or that people that were too scared to step into color or venture into color. So my first part of the collab was my custom color essentials. So we had browns, golds, neutrals, something for the kids, right? To play, touch, and feel. And I was like, let me graduate that and let's poop some color for the kids, right? And I think it's beautiful, and lilacs and lavenders really make me feel like love, and it's the season of love. It's spring. It's about blossoming into your own beauty, and that was my inspiration because it was so full circle for me to be here. So this first kit, Me So Chic, it's really beautiful. It's great for those bridesmaids, for formal, and I wanted to be conscious of those aspiring makeup artists that wanted to buy MAC and have it in their makeup kit, and for a great price. So you get the box, and then you have 4 items. You have the blush duo, the eyeshadow, the lipstick, and the lip gloss, and same for the Me So Fleek. And my inspiration for these types of girls were, we had the little innocent flower, and we got the badass bitch, okay? Who's a badass bitch today? You a badass bitch, okay? Who wants to see the badass bitch look today? Because that's what I have prepared. That's what I have prepared. We're gonna do a quick eye demo. Say hi to my beautiful model, Mila. Hi. She's gorgeous, right? Yeah. And I'm so excited. Thank you for coming. We are gonna beat your face to the gods. You have a boyfriend?
I do.
Oh, she's going on a date. All right, so yeah, you need a little sun in a second. That's why we're here. Yeah, again, hashtag Patrick. They told you all the rules, right? Yeah. Myself. Y'all want to see some makeup? Oh my God, we twinning. Yeah. Oh yes. What is your name? What's your name? Marva. Marva. Can we stand up and twirl really quick? Show them off your outfit. I said skirt, she said sleeves. Okay. I'm serving you sleeves with some horsehair. I look good on the screen, don't I? This took forever, so if something falls off, bear with me. It's the first time I ever did this. Zoom up on my face. It's the first time I ever did this on myself because I was fortunate enough to have my best friends that I worked with at MAC do the makeup. So when I worked in Orlando, Florida, another artist there, Steven, who's one of my best friends, who let me crash at his couch, is an amazing artist. So he did my makeup for all the campaigns that you see. So when I woke up today, I was like, I think I want to do the bitch ass look, you know? And I was like, I ain't never done this look in my life using my collection. So it was really, really, really fun to birth this look on my face in Toronto, where MAC was born too. So, amen. We in a church. Amen. How many of y'all been to this church? All right, this is cute. So what I'm gonna do, her eyes are naked, and I don't wanna, the thing with playing with color, I don't wanna do too much layering on the eyes. So normally we would use like a paint pot, like soft ochre, paint really laying low is my shade. If y'all my shade, NC45. Laying low is a beautiful shade for us girls. But since we're going right in, I'm gonna go ahead and take high def cyan. And we're gonna go ahead and warm this up. And this is a chromographic pencil. And we're gonna go ahead and bump this in. This is really cute. Another great base would be the, what are those called? The little pots. These events too is if you want to grow your channel or network, definitely make a new friend today. And if you're nervous or you know, or if you're by yourself or with friends, make it a point to introduce yourself to someone new. I know it's kind of scary, but it works. Because God is good, amen? Amen. I swear y'all have been to this church. Y'all acting like you ain't never been to this church. Imagine if I had a church, y'all. Would y'all come? Yes, Sunday school teacher, yes, God. Keep it cute. And how many makeup artists do we have? Professional, working, freelance makeup artists. Yes, artistry. I love artists. And if you guys are budding makeup artists or want to learn, really take advantage of the trainers here today. We have trainers, we have senior artists here that have been with MAC. They are the leaders. They've worked at Fashion Week, premieres, the list goes on, right? Forever. She's a badass bitch. She's been with MAC for so long. Yes. She is cute. She'll be up on stage with me in a second. Yeah, so the Miso Fleek palette is called Play With Me because I wanted to be like that kind of cute palette, you know, play with me, daddy. And then the blush is called Take Me Home, Daddy. So if you're wondering why I named these shades, like, what the hell? Lightning struck the shirt. I swear I'm gonna struck with lightning today. Yeah, that was my inspiration for these palettes. You know, I almost wanted to call the blue one Blue Balls, but they said I'm not so little. Pull it back. my agent's gonna slap me for saying my manager's here. She was like, ah. She's white, right? She's white and blonde or brunette now, whatever. She has bangs. She's over there. She's like, I don't know if that's like appropriate. Like, what you mean? They just call a palette basic bitch. So I'm taking Hickey and I'm just blurring it into the lid. And that's what I did today. I did a little bit of Hickey, I did a little bit of purple, and I blended it into the eye. We're gonna go ahead with the blue. I'm gonna take Fix Plus right here. Oh, she's new. That was like $5 worth of spray. Damn, that's 15. Why is it so expensive? Ooh, she got money. I love taking a synthetic brush and just packing this on into blue balls. I mean, in the shadows. I'm so stupid. Right. And I'm gonna go ahead and pack this onto the lid. Everyone say yes, look at that pigment. Yes, they did that. You better get a Hickey tonight from your man. Let me tell you, I had designed this dress, right? So when I got here, man, that is a man. She was hairy this morning. So I was like, oh my God, Mac, can you like help me and have Caitlin come over? So they had this amazing senior artist come over this morning. There's no filter with me, so you can ask anything. It was just so funny. So this girl over here was shaving my ankles. Peter was shaving the back of my knee. And she went to town. But they nice, right? They real cute. They're real cute. And I realized for red carpet, I've been doing so much red carpet, you will see my ass doused in foundation to get that sickening picture, okay? Like, that's one thing that I learned. Oh my God, baby girl, what happened? You are eating my makeup. You see the shadow on her lip? What is you doing? You are a mess. Hold on. Let me help you, girl. She's a messy girl. You're a bad girl. At Press Hot Mess Express. I'll jump on that damn train. We a hot mess every now and then. Yeah. Does not me. Yeah, Nadia. This is my secret. So, because I don't have an afro or curly hair to hide under here, I have two. So I have what I call a base, and it's elastic. What is that stretch? Nylon or a jersey. I'll have this underneath, and then I'll do that one first, and then I'll go in with a bump it. So it's a piece. So I'll tie a bow, and then I'll slip that through the bow, the extra scarf through the bow, and then tie it. And then just go round and around, round and pin, round and pin, round and pin, so it pins. And then we just hot glue these bitches on my head. So I hope they stay.
Does it feel heavy? Yeah.
Oh, it's very heavy. Try to hit me and see what happens. You asked that? Oh, she did.
What beauty gurus are you really good friends with?
What beauty gurus I'm really good friends with? I love, well, because we live so close, everyone is so spread out in Los Angeles, it's hard to like meet up with everyone. I love Chris and Dominique. I was on the phone with her this morning. It's really cool to see, do we have any mothers in the audience? Happy Mother's Day. Every day is Mother's Day to me. And for someone so ambitious to get their goals, upload daily, have a son, go to school, it's super freaking impressive to have such the schedule. And she's traveling all the time, but she's working and she's doing what she loves. She looks great, and it's really inspirational to see someone like that grow. And everyone in the beauty community, I think. Thank you guys so much for coming. I want to leave with you saying that life opens up when you do, and that makeup is a one size fits all. So I love you guys so much, and thank you guys so much for coming.